At the State House could change how South Carolina defines domestic violence cases and when someone can face criminal charges. 7 News State House reporter Caroline Yaffa breaks down what the law looks like right now and what this bill could change.
Right now in South Carolina, you cannot be charged with domestic violence unless there's physical harm or a threat of it. But a bill in the State House would change that by making coercive control a crime and grounds of getting an order of protection.
These are serious cases that oftentimes end in death.
Under current state law, domestic violence cases focus on physical harm or threats of physical violence between spouses, people who live together, or those who share a child. Behavior that is emotional, manipulative, or controlling on its own is not a standalone crime.
I think our policies have reflected a reactionary sort of a tone for the last 50 years. And it's time to be proactive.
The proposed bill would change that by creating a new offense called coercive control, which targets patterns of dominating behavior.
There are so many non-physical forms of violence are equally as devastating and effective at controlling and harming someone.
One question is how this could be proven. According to federal law, you can prove that someone is being human trafficked by coercion, so it can be identified without that physical proof.
It's hard to prove what's in somebody's mind, but there are lots of elements that give you the ability to make the proof and to make a case.
An abusive person is able to effectively and fully isolate someone, fully and effectively take away all of their financial means of independence, and use such a severe form of verbal abuse and emotional abuse.
The bill would also expand who qualifies as a household member and update family law by adding domestic violence, stalking, and harassment as grounds for divorce and key factors in child custody decisions. In Columbia, Caroline Yaffa, 7 News.
Lawmakers will be talking about new bills when they go back to Columbia in January.
7 News